Code Rangers. Today I'm here to tell you about the passive income sources through print on demand method. Print on demand method it simply means you used to print something like logo, any picture or anything in t-shirt, on cup or anything designed and you used to sell it. You don't have to keep the inventory, you don't have to keep the shop, they used to manage it, and in the profit you have to give some amount and rest of the amount you will keep with yourself. So here today I'm going to tell you how to use print on demand method all with free. Nothing will be charged to you, everything is free. So first of all, go to the any browser and search here fourth wall. After searching fourth wall, click on the first link, the best way for creators. Click on here, and after here just click on start now. Here also it's written no monthly fees, no credit card required. Click on start now. I will also tell you how to increase the marketing, means how you will increase the traffic on your website, on your store. Now I will just sign up here with a Google. After signing up, you have to fill your details, your name, your nickname from which you want to sell your product. For example, I am typing here Code Rangers. For example, I am typing here Code Rangers shop. You can choose any location. For example, I am choosing a location of USA, and then simply click on continue. Uh, you have to choose this option also. For example, I am choosing it YouTube Code Rangers, and then you can simply click on continue. And after going on the dashboard, you can see this, and from here you can choose on which thing you want to print. For example, there are number of t-shirts, you want to see more products, you can click on the see more products option. Here it's like, for example, you have to, it's of $25, it's of $14, $13, you have to print, you want to print something else. Like for example, I am taking some t-shirt or shorts. Like for example, I am taking this cup, I want to sell this cup. So first click on that cup and click on design now option. Here you can see what are the requirements. Here means the cup will have dimension like this, and from here you can see it can ship from US, EU and UK. Means it is available everywhere, just you have to dial the shipping address, so you don't need anything else. Now simply click on the design now option, and here you get the cup, it's from center front. For example, I am choosing center, and here I want to upload some image. Click on the upload image. I am choosing some image, like for example I am choosing this image. Now I will paste this image on the cup. For example, I am pasting it here, so we can preview it how it will look like. So simply click on the preview option, and from preview option you can view that how it will look like. Like for example, I want to add some another image. You can simply click on this or this, an image which you want to upload here. For example, you want to design for like taken, you want to design some name for, but I think this is looking better, so I will choose this one. And after clicking it here, just simply click on the next option. You can preview it. and click on the next option. Next button. From here I'm clicking on the next, and here you can see this image is of bad quality, this one is of good quality, so we will make it only good, so we will remove this one. So simply click on this, remove this, we have selected. Now click on confirm option and click next. Here it has initialized your processing. It will take a couple of seconds. And here is your product ready. You have to type the name of the curve, something, and if you don't want to write, you can simply generate it with this option. For example, it's a curve ghost, and here I will generate a title and description from here with this. And now you can see the price, its selling price. You will get a profit of $5 per sale. For example, I want to reduce it so that everyone will buy my this curve, so I will reduce the amount. For example, I am giving $12, and after doing this you can check how it will look like from here, and after that you can simply click on the publish now option. And if you want to change the design, you can simply go on the design and you can change the design if you want some another image, if you are not thinking this is looking good. After that you can simply click on publish now option. This here it's ink splash expression black mark. You can see the size, everything, quality guarantee. Quality is guaranteed. If there is a print error or visual quality issue, we will replace or refund it. Means you will get the refund amount. Means the buyer who will buy, if he gets something printing issue and anything else, and they will replace it. And you can simply go to the dashboard, and from here you can see your products. For example, I'm clicking on the products option, and from here you can see your product is on the live. Your black splash mug is live. Everyone has access. This product is ordered during checkout. Supporter pay the cost of shipping based on the weight of their order. Means the weight of the order they will have to pay. Like for example, if you are buying for more weight, then they have to pay some more amount. You can edit the design from here also. You can mark as sold also. And this is live, and this is the link. From here you can simply, for example, I am pasting the link here. You get simply to the shipping. Means if you want to buy, you have to click on the add to cart option, and add to cart you have to simply click on the checkout. If someone wants to buy your mug, then you can pay, for example, your name, and if you want to skip this page, simply click on continue to information, and you can email address, full street address, shipping, phone number, and here you can simply click on the shipping information. And in the last you have to do the payment. So we this is the, and if you want to just check how your store looks like when someone will come on your store, you can go to site design, and you can design your how your shop should look like. For example, I want to make everything membership, beta as Instagram feed, TikTok feed, and click on the continue option which you will get in the below. You can choose the color, which color you want to make your shop should look like. For example, I think this color is good. You want to change the heading, how it's look like, and simply then click on the finish option. And now your your store is live now, and how it will look like, it will look like this. If you want to change header, you can simply change header from here. Going in the header section, you can click on the edit menu, and from here you can edit, or you can change the image from clicking on edit image banner. You can see the latest product here. ink expression black monk, recent posts if you want to add something, any messages, latest on YouTube, your videos, everything will be displayed here. The complete video on print on demand, how to generate a passive income. You can earn an inimaginable amount, how many products you are selling per day or per week. It depends only upon you. And if you want to increase the traffic on the your store you are starting as a new, you can simply you can buy traffic. You will get many videos on the YouTube, or simply go to the Instagram, make an account, and try to posting your products as a reels. You can simply generate reels from the AI, or you can simply post your photos. You can provide the link which you are getting. For example, you have gone to your dashboard and you go to the products, click on, and you can simply paste this link from here. A buyer can buy, or here it will show how many sales you have done. For example, you have I haven't done sales yet, so it's saying no sales yet. If you want to change the design, you can change design option also. All this you can do only with simple step, and it's completely free. You haven't paid anything, not even a one penny you have paid. So this is the video how to generate a passive income. Thank you.